everyone from my Parisian apartment. I am so excited to bring you guys this video. I am shooting one of my favorite couples on earth, Mary Beth and Ryan. You might recognize them from my Metropolitan Museum of Art, Upper East Side, New York City video that we did a few weeks ago, and we actually were able to meet up here in Paris, and I was able to shoot them in front of the Eiffel Tower, which is so much fun and a dream come true. I'm excited to bring you guys along on this session. It's really cute. I'm having such a fun time in Paris creating. I've been doing so many fun shoots that I cannot wait to share with y'all. So before we get into the video, I do want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. For those of you guys who do not know, Skillshare has been an amazing supporter of my YouTube channel, and it's how I'm able to continue to create free content for y'all. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in photography, technology, business, design, and it's perfect for entrepreneurs like myself. Premium membership is very affordable. It's about $10 a month, and that gives you access to the thousands of classes that Skillshare has to offer. The classes are taught by experts who are already working in their field, in the industry, so that you know you're learning from a reliable instructor and source. With Skillshare, you can improve on the skills and the talents, the gifts that you already have, unlock new opportunities, and even find some new hobbies. A class that I really enjoy for Skillshare is anything to do with Photoshop. Here is the part that you have been waiting for. Skillshare is offering the first 500 people who sign up with my link down below in the description box 2 months of free premium membership. So thankful again to Skillshare for sponsoring this, and let's hop into the video. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, and then walk back before anyone grabs that space. Perfect, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. You guys are just, they're so cool. Yeah. So good. And now look directly front. Yeah. So good. Yes.
He's proud. He's like, yeah, that's my girl. Goals. Okay, we are walking to the next location. We don't know where we're going. We're gonna go. Oh, we're going to the merry-go-round. Oh, nice. Right? So good. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I'll go low with you. Yes. And then probably, Brian, I'll have you be serious. Yeah. Yes. And actually, I'll have you dip her again. Yeah. Okay, and then look at each other. Yes. Interlock arms. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Yes, good. You guys are so good at modeling. What the heck? Okay, yes. I cannot wait. Amazing. We're gonna put this in front of the camera to kind of blend some of how the grass is kind of splotchy. This will blend it. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, they're not ready. Okay, this is amazing. Okay. Okay, Ryan, slightly forward. Even if it feels up. Oh, but keep your leg up. Keep your leg up. That.
You want me to move forward or?
Just lean forward. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Mary Beth, look to the side again, and then Ryan, look down. Yeah. Alright everyone, that was it. That was the video. I hope that you enjoyed. It was so fun to shoot, and I just love Mary Beth and Ryan. I think that they are so cute. Don't forget to go snag your free 2 months of premium membership with Skillshare down below. Thank you again to sponsoring this video. Make sure to subscribe for more photography videos, tips, and tricks. Join Build and Bloom, my free photography Facebook group, if you haven't already. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to follow along on my Parisian summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.